So while George and Alfred are coming up here, I just wanted to let you, the audience, know about some other events that are happening. We have the OCP Total Global Community right now. Our first event is in Bangalore, India, on June 15th. That event is being hosted by Flipkart. OCP is hosting its second event in China, in mainland China, in Beijing. That is being hosted by, I think, 5 different sponsors, including Baidu, Alibaba, Tencent, Inspur, and Microsoft. June 27th is our Tech Day in Japan, in Tokyo, and that is being hosted by NTT Telecom. July 10th, we are doing a Rack and Power workshop back in the States, and that's on day 0 of the DCD event in San Francisco, and I'm still looking for a host there. July 18th and 19th, OCP is doing Korea Tech Day in collaboration with the Open Infrastructure Days that is happening there, and so that's with OpenStack, Ceph, Kubernetes, and a few other organizations. That's our first event in Seoul, so we're really excited about OCP Korea too. I know several people alluded to our Amsterdam Summit. This is our second European event. It's a regional summit. Our first one was last year. This is being hosted 26th and 27th. It's a 2-day event filled with workshops on one day, full exhibition floor. There are sponsorships still available if you're interested. It's one of our 2 events that are hosted by OCP, and all of our workshops are free except for our regional summit and our global summit. TIP London, I know George talked about the Telecom Infra Project. That is another sister organization, and we will be in London having a booth at the TIP Summit. This is our second event there. We are also going to be at the Broadband World Forum, again in Amsterdam, and that's going to be just a speaking opportunity. So John Laban is our European representative, and he is a guru in terms of data center. You know, he's built them, he's run them, so he's going to be doing some speaking engagements. And then we're back in supercomputing, and then there's a few other events. Back to our summit, our annual global summit. I think last year we broke all records, and we were at like 3,700, 4,000 people, almost 4,000 people, way above what we expected in 2019 this year. So pretty excited, a very, very focused calendar here. All of these events are on our website, but I wanted to also, I know Emily talked about passing the baton over to Alfred. I know George has been running OCP Taiwan for a while now, so.
With Emily.
With Emily, yeah. So
okay.
I'm turning the stage over to them, because if you guys need to get a hold of anybody, these 2 guys are it.
Yeah. So thank you very much for coming. I think it's a great event today. First of all, no questions. Yeah. So I think from today's event, pretty much you understand OCP community is not only the community platform for vendors, but it's a platform for vendors and users who join together. The user pretty much will share what they need, their requirements, and the vendor side, they will come up with ideas and design and share. They open their design, contribute up to the software, the whole solutions. So they want to provide the most efficient and low CAPEX solution to the user. So this is not only one side, they make the money, the user save a lot of money, but it's also do green world, green to the earth. So that's very important. And I think thanks to ITI and the family's help, so we've been doing in Taiwan OCP-T, we've been doing a good job of having a lot of, quite a few members together. So we try to come out different product solutions. So I'm more on the supply side. And it's been a good combination between OCP Taiwan and OCP Japan, where Japan has a lot of big data center company, they are users. So I think what we could do is that from now on we can follow this kind of pattern. We not only just do internal Taiwan quarterly gathering together, we should also reach out together and see where the world we should try to provide more of the OCP information, and also from successful cases like Yahoo Japan or others, we should show with more potential users so they can look at more OCP and adopt more of OCP solutions.
George?
Thank you, Alfred. First of all, also I would like, first let me thank the OCP. Let me thank Archna and her team for making this happen, and for their support and for the past, I would say, 5 years or more. I would like to thank also Emily for her leadership in Taiwan OCP. Without her, you know, we couldn't go this far, and I really appreciate that. I was co-chair, so to speak, but Emily did all the heavy lifting. Now she's passing it on to me and Alfred. I'm really glad to have Alfred with me, because I can't speak Mandarin, and Alfred will always be with me, joined to the hip to make sure that we get things done. I don't want to repeat what Alfred said. I think you know, this is a tremendous opportunity here for all of us. You have seen how Taiwan has adopted this OCP, and you know, how we are really moving very fast in terms of putting a lot of our products back into OCP, you know, channel, OCP, you know, certified or adopted products. We would like to increase that. We would like to increase it with your all participation. One thing that Dirk's going to do and OCP is going to do is kind of send a survey after this. Please take the time and tell us what you would like to see, so that Alfred and I, with OCP, with Archna and her team and Dirk and so forth, can follow up. Please tell us and be part of it, because you know, this is how should I say, this is going to be weekend job or midnight jobs, but I think we should do it because it's all about volunteering. We like to hear from you as to what you like to see, how you like to see things done. We'll do our best with Archna and her team. This is a sign. This is a sign telling me go. This is a sign telling me it's enough. Okay, because I can't talk too much, you know. But anyway, to close, I really appreciate your participation and also staying so late today. Let us know what I was saying. Let us know what you really want. With Archna's help and the sister organization like TIP and ONF and Links Foundation, there's so much opportunity for all of us. Again, don't be afraid of protecting your IP. Believe me, you can make more money by sharing. Trust me. Yeah. And as Alfred said, you know, our friends in Japan, we should really extend this OCP, and I think one of the objectives that we have with Emily, we tried and we were successful, then we tempered down. I think if we have good representation like Katsan, and you know, because Yahoo Japan was one of the first to adopt OCP, so I want to congratulate that. It's because it's kind of a, you know, risky proposition, but you can see the benefit. So please, without further ado, let's work together. Let's also get Taiwan to be the center of how we can expand into APAC. I think that's what Emily and I have been talking, and with Archna to see what we can do. So thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. We really appreciate everyone sticking it out. I hope it was as valuable for you as it was for us. Thank you again, and have a great rest of the conference.